In this table, we have the full name of multiple people, let's say 10 people, and we would like to split the first name and last name in separate columns. I'll show you how to do it using two ways. First, in new editions, there's a function called Textafter and Textbefore, where you can specify a delimiter to use to split the text. So let's say Textbefore, we pick the cell that we would like to split. Then, as you can see here, between the first name and last name, there is a space. So I'll open the quotation mark, press space, and then close it. We close the function, then press enter. If we apply it to the whole table, as you see, it took the first names of all 10 employees. For the last name, the function is called Textafter, where we also specify the delimiter that we would like to use to split the text. So I'll put the space between quotation marks again. And as you can see, it took the last names of all 10 employees as well. The other way that's available in older version is flash fill. So as an example, I'll write first name similar to the split that I would like here, then press enter, Control E. The same for the last names as well. Last name, press enter, and then Control E.